Today, this show is called Funny Show. I'm your host, Sam. Today, we will tie a kid up in a chair and shoot him with a Nerf gun, and put a wig on him, and whack a pillow at his face, and give him a wedgie. Okay.
Put it right here.
Don't try this at home, kids.
We are at home.
Look, I don't want other kids to do it who see this, because I can get my videos on the computer.
Cool.
They should just stay there. Okay, get the wig. Ow! Okay, now get the wig. Get the wig.
Where is it?
Just get anything that's funny and put it on my head. Now, we may not do things that we said that we would. Today we are in a basement in an earthquake, and it is really windy. Okay, now get the pillow and whack it at me.
Stab!
That's a foam sword.
Oh, yeah.
Foam. Like a small one. John, please don't come over here. What?
And that's our show, kids.